Hey guys, good evening. How are you? Is everyone and everything okay in this pandemic? No? Feeling stressed? I have an excellent idea to remove the stress with an interesting art and craft ideas. I will tell you how to make a flower with paper. Before that, hope you have seen my first video. If not, please watch it, like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Now let us see the process of making a flower with paper. The materials required are in a red color sheet. I had marked the points, one at 3 centimeters and one at 1 centimeters, and I cut the strip at 3 centimeters. Now we make small thin lines. We cut small thin lines till it touches this line. We make very thin cuttings, as thin as possible. We'll have to be very careful while cutting the strips. We make small thin cuttings like this. As thin as possible. Like this. Like this. Your sheet will be like this. Now we take an yellow sheet, mark a line at 1 centimeter. Like this, and we join these two lines, dots, and cut. We add some glue here. And we stick this yellow sheet like this. Now we start rolling the yellow sheet from this end as thin as possible. Keep rolling. Rolling. Once it is done till here, we continue rolling. Roll this part as careful as possible because these should not bend. You will have to be very careful while rolling this part. Now here you add some glue and stick it. Now here we add some glue and stick it like this. Now we take the center portion like this and fold these cuttings like this. So this will be your flower. Now we'll see how to make a stem. Now in this green sheet we are marking the width at 2 centimeters. And we cut this . Now for the stem, we add some glue at one end. We add some glue here. Next, we fold this side into, we fold the sheet into 2 equal halves like this. Fold it like this. Now we attach this side on this. There is no hurry in doing this. Do it as slow as possible. Like this. We attach this. Now we just do like this so that now we attach this to the flower like this. We add some glue and attach it. Also, we add some glue on this. And now we attach. Now for the leaf, we take a small piece of paper and fold it like this. And at this end, we make a semi-curve like this and cut this curve. Now your leaf is ready. Now we attach this to the stem. The flower is ready. Now we attach the leaf to the stem with the help of some glue. So this is the final outcome of the flower we have made. Hope it looks attractive. It looks attractive, right? Hope you love this video. Hope you like this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel if you really like the video.